Hey there, cord cutters! Today, I'll show you how to build a powerful digital ground antenna using just a few simple, low-cost materials you already have at home. This DIY antenna is super easy to make and works like a charm, giving you free access to crystal-clear local channels without paying for cable. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have your own high-performance antenna ready to go in less than 10 minutes. If you enjoy smart DIY hacks like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more amazing projects. Ready? Let's get started and cut the cord for good.